year, I was stopped in my tracks yet again by the extraordinary Lutheran pastor Nadia Bolz-Weber, by her powerful New Beatitudes written in 2018 that touch my soul and remind me of the work I need to do for the kingdom of heaven. I can do no better this All Saints Sunday than to share them with you. Blessed are the agnostics. Blessed are they who doubt, those who aren't sure, those who can still be surprised. Blessed are those who have nothing to offer. Blessed are they for whom death is not an abstraction. Blessed are they who have buried their loved ones, for whom tears could fill an ocean. Blessed are they who have loved enough to know what loss feels like. Blessed are they who don't have the luxury of taking things for granted anymore. Blessed are they who can't fall apart because they have to keep it together for everyone else. Blessed are those who still aren't over it yet. Blessed are those who mourn. Blessed are those whom no one else notices. The kids who sit alone at middle school lunch tables, the laundry guys at the hospital, the sex workers and the night shift street sweepers. Blessed are the forgotten. Blessed are the closeted. Blessed are the unemployed, the unimpressive, the underrepresented. Blessed are the wrongly accused, the ones who never catch a break, the ones for whom life is hard. For Jesus chose to surround himself with people like them. Blessed are those without documentation. Blessed are the ones without lobbyists. Blessed are those who make terrible business decisions for the sake of people. Blessed are the burned out social workers and the overworked teachers and the pro bono case takers. Blessed are the kind-hearted NFL players and the fundraising trophy wives. And blessed are the kids who step between the bullies and the weak. Blessed is everyone who has ever forgiven me when I didn't deserve it. And I will pause with Nadia right there, because I think each one of us have blessings that we would want to give. And I'll start off with a few and then just leave a pause for you to fill in. Blessed are those who are anxious about the election workers, those who stand in long lines, and those who haven't yet voted. Blessed are those who are suffering with the fires, hurricanes, and tropical storms. Blessed are those who are living and working on the front lines of the pandemic. And to go back to Nadia, she ends, blessed are the merciful, for they totally get it. You are of heaven, and Jesus blesses you.